Every night, Clara dreamed of the same house, a Victorian manor perched on a hill, its windows glowing amber against a bruised sky. She could trace every crack in the stone, every twist of iron on the gate. The dream always ended the same way, with her standing at the front door reaching for the handle and waking up just before her fingers touched it. For months it haunted her. Not like a nightmare, more like a memory she couldn't place. Then one Saturday, scrolling through real estate listings on her phone, she froze. There it was, the house, her house, same stone, same iron gate, same amber windows. The listing said it had been on the market for over a year. No offers. She called her agent before she even finished reading. The walkthrough felt like sleepwalking. Every room matched her dreams down to the wallpaper pattern in the hallway, the creak of the third stair, the cold draft that came from nowhere in the upstairs bedroom. Her agent noticed her expression. "You okay?" Clara nodded slowly. "I've been here before," she whispered, but she hadn't. Not in any life she could remember. She submitted a bid that afternoon. Full asking price. No contingencies. The seller accepted within the hour. But when the inspection report came back, it carried a note from the inspector, a handwritten addition at the bottom. "I don't usually include this kind of thing, but you should know. The neighbours say this house is haunted. 3 previous buyers backed out. Doors open on their own, lights flicker, and sometimes, late at night, a woman's figure appears in the upstairs window." Clara read the note twice. Her hands didn't shake. If anything, she felt a strange calm. She signed the papers anyway. Moving day came on a grey October morning. As the movers carried boxes inside, Clara stood in the foyer and looked up the staircase. The house. Clara read the note twice. That first night she heard it. A soft tapping, rhythmic, almost like fingernails on glass. It came from the bedroom window. She pulled back the curtain. Nothing. Just fog curling through the yard. She turned around, and every door in the hallway was open. She was certain she had closed them. Over the next week, it escalated. Whispers in the walls, cold spots that moved through rooms like something passing by. Her reflection in the bathroom mirror lingered a half-second too long when she turned away. One night, she woke to find her own handwriting on the foggy window glass. The words read, "You came back." Clara called the previous owner, a woman named Mrs. Belworth, and asked to meet. They sat across from each other in the living room. Mrs. Belworth's eyes were wide, scanning Clara's face like she was looking at a ghost. "It's you," Mrs. Belworth said, her voice barely above a breath. "You're the one. You're the woman in the window." Clara felt ice crawl down her spine. "What do you mean?" Mrs. Belworth leaned forward. "For 15 years I saw a woman standing in that upstairs window, watching. Always watching. Brown hair, green eyes, that exact face. Your face. I thought the house was haunted, but it wasn't a ghost from the past, it was you. Somehow it was always you." Clara looked toward the staircase. The house groaned softly like it was breathing. She understood now. The dreams hadn't been pulling her toward this house. This house had been pulling her toward itself. And now that she was here, she realized the haunting had never been about the dead. It had been about the living, about her, and the house, at last, was satisfied.